Man, the battery's dead already.
Put the shit on your face.
Why the battery's dead?
I don't know. It must have a short end. That's not. All over your face.
Tell me to stop.
You gotta get all over your face. You're not underneath your nose yet. Up in here on both sides. Get a little water in there.
Oh.
Don't wash your, just get some on your face. You should get it on your lip, upper lip. Here you go. And you always forget that upper lip. That's the part that needs it the most.
Yep.
Mm.